to the Blessed Trinity family. My name is Kim Miller, and I am serving my 4th year volunteering for the Blessed Trinity Fine Arts Association, and my 2nd year as our board president. I have 2 current BT students, a freshman and a junior, and 1 alumni who have all had interests in the arts.
And I am Michelle Tisdale. I'm serving my 3rd year volunteering on the BT Fine Arts Association, and this is my 2nd year serving as our vice president. My daughter is a junior at Blessed Trinity, and she has been involved with the fine arts since her first day walking into the school.
We are eager and excited to welcome each of you to join our membership for the school year and become an integral part of our fine arts community. What is the Blessed Trinity Fine Arts Association, and how can you join? We are a parent volunteer organization dedicated to serving the fine arts department offerings here at BT and enhancing our students' experience. Being new to our campus, you are learning that every BT student, 100%, must take fine arts coursework during their 4 years on campus. We are here to make their performance opportunities and visual arts showcases of their work truly successful. We achieve this by supporting the teachers' visions in a variety of ways. For example, dance may bring in a guest choreographer, band may need to repair or to purchase new instruments, and this year our stage and tech crew needs are changing to move outside, creating a whole new experience for our performances. For the truly dedicated fine arts student, we also offer summer scholarship opportunities to support their training beyond the school year. This is no small task, as we need both your financial support as well as actual volunteers to keep the quality and success of the entire fine arts program growing and going.
How do we achieve these goals, you may ask? We do this with the continued support of our BT families. We invite each and every family to join our membership level where they feel comfortable. All families are encouraged and welcome to join. For more information, please visit our school's website. Let's start at the Blessed Trinity homepage. From here, select Arts. Once you're on the Arts page, scroll down. You'll see the Fine Arts Association. Click here, and you'll be taken to our Fine Arts Association homepage. Details about each level offered and the associated perks are shared here. For example, if you would like reserved seating for multiple performances, then please consider becoming an Archangel member. Or if you want to have the opportunity for advanced seating for multiple shows, consider the Angel level. If your student will only be in 1 performance this year and you have a family of 4 plus grandparents to bring, consider the Patron level, as your tickets will be included with the balance directly, helping us to fund the association's endeavors. You may join the Fine Arts Association by scrolling down and selecting Click Here. You can have the option to charge your credit card, or should you wish to charge to your school's fax account, please click here. Are you looking to get involved and volunteer with our association this year? Then please be sure to fill out our Google form by clicking here. Provide the necessary information and you will be included in our volunteer database. This year we're particularly in need of volunteers so that we can meet and exceed all of our safety guidelines and present safe performances. We look forward to having you, and if you have any questions or want information, please don't hesitate to contact us.
We are looking forward to an amazing year in fine arts. We thank you in advance for your support.
Go, Titans of the Arts!